guys, I'm Chano and I will tell you about the 10 historical shrine and landmarks recognized by NHI and NHCP. They have 5 local landmarks in Bicol and they have 5 national historical shrine in the Philippines. The first one landmarks in Bicol, the Calzua Ruins. The Calzua Ruins, also spelled as Calzua, historical spelled as Calzua, are the remains of a 16th century Franciscan church. The Calzua Church was originally built in the town of Calzua in 1587, was born down and destroyed by Dutch pirates in 1636. It was rebuilt in 1704 by Father Francisco Blanco, but was destroyed again a long time with the town of Calzua on February 1, 1814 during the eruption of Mayong volcano. The second landmark in Bicol is Daraga Church, Our Lady of the Great Parish Church, also known as Nuestra Señora de la Poetria Parish Church, commonly known as Daraga Church, is a Roman Catholic church in municipality of Daraga, Albay, Philippines, under the jurisdiction of the Diocese of Legazpi. The church was built by the Franciscans in 1772 under the patronage of Our Lady of the Gate. Certain church sections were declared as a National Cultural Treasure of the Philippines in 2007. The third landmark in Bicol is the Naga Metropolitan Cathedral. The Metropolitan Cathedral in Parish of St. John Evangelist, also known as the Naga Metropolitan Cathedral, is a Roman Catholic cathedral in Naga, Camarines, Philippines. It is the seat of Archdiocese of Cáceres. The first church was established after the creation of the Archdiocese as the Diocese of Nueva Cáceres in 1595. The present cathedral was built in 1808 and was consecrated in 1843. The fourth landmark in Bicol is Minor Basilica and National Shrine of Our Lady of Peñafrancia. The Minor Basilica and National Shrine of Our Lady of Peñafrancia, commonly known as the Peñafrancia Basilica. It is a Roman Catholic minor basilica located on the outskirts of Naga City, also known as the Figurine City in Queen City of Bicol, in the Bicol region of the Philippines. The last landmarks in Bicol is Queen's Martyrs Plaza, is a historic site in Naga City, Philippines, honoring the 15 Bicol martyrs who died due to harsh treatment by Spanish authorities for their alleged involvement in the revolutionary movement against Spanish rule. The plaza features a monument dedicated to those heroes designed by Crispulo Zamora and crafted by Jose Barcena, erected in 1926. And they are the 5 national historical shrines in the Philippines. The first landmarks in National Historical Shrine is the Aguinaldo Shrine. The Aguinaldo Shrine is a national shrine located in Kawit, Cavite, Philippines. In its where the Philippine Declaration of Independence from Spain was declared on June 12, 1898. This historic site is the ancestral home of Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippines and the only president on the First Philippine Republic. The second national landmark in the Philippines is Bagong Bayan. Bagong Bayan is the old name of Rizal Park in Manila, one of the largest urban parks in the Philippines. Covering 58 hectares, the park is situated on the eastern shore of Manila Bay and plays a significant role in shaping the country's history. The park was originally known as Bagong Bayan. During the Spanish colonial period, it was the site of public execution, including the execution of Filipino patriot Jose Rizal on December 30, 1896. The third national landmark in the Philippines is Mactan Shrine. Mactan Shrine is located in Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu, Philippines. It's a historic landmark that commemorates the Battle of Mactan, where Filipino warrior King Lapu-Lapu defeated Spanish colonizer led by Ferdinand Magellan in 1521. This memorial park honors Lapu-Lapu bravery in the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines. The fourth national landmark in the Philippines is Leyte Landing Memorial Park. The Leyte Landing Memorial Park, also known as MacArthur Leyte Landing Memorial National Park, is a historic site located in Palo Leyte, Philippines. It commemorates the landing of General Douglas MacArthur on October 20, 1944, marking the beginning of the campaign to liberate the Philippines from Japanese occupation. The fifth national landmarks in the Philippines is Blood Compact Shrine. The Blood Compact Shrine, located in Barangay Bohol, Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Philippines, commemorates the historic Sandugo of Blood Compact between Spanish explorer Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and Dato Sicatona, the chieftain of Bohol, on March 16, 1565. This event marked the first treaty of friendship between the Spaniards and Filipinos.